Welcome to the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions training course for large vehicles, essential knowledge to keep you and others safe on the road. This comprehensive online course covers crucial factors that contribute to rear-end collisions, including concentration, following distance, time management, intersections, construction zones, and fatigue. Learn how to maintain concentration by avoiding distractions and managing stress. Discover the importance of maintaining a 4 to 6 second following distance to ensure you have enough time to stop safely. Master time management techniques to avoid rushing and making risky driving decisions. Understand how to approach intersections with caution, being prepared for sudden stops. Navigate construction zones safely by following posted speed limits and being alert for sudden changes. Learn how to manage fatigue by ensuring adequate rest and knowing when to take breaks. Enroll in the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions training course today. Equip yourself with the knowledge to drive safely and responsibly. Visit our website and start your training now.